Go home happy with the 2020 Hyundai Elantra. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This energetic and feature-packed Elantra delivers the style and convenience you need to make driving a soothing part of your busy day. From its sculpted modern looks to its refined ride and tech-savvy approach to safety and infotainment, this compact sedan represents an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering. Innovation meets refinement in this modern, energetic Elantra. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.